Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would love to share my fruit trees with you to show you how the garden will give fruit for you from the bees, from the chicken, from insect and animals. So I'm going to show you a lot of them. All right. Here I'm going to show you. This is front of my door, and those are my grapes, this is canopy, and the grapes grows. Let me go this way. I want to show you, these are all the black grapes, and then over here I want to show you the corners. It's much lighter. Because of the light, I have to show you from far away. And these are all the grapes. They are so beautiful, delicious grapes, and I have to come out over here. I have this corner. I have 4 corners, such a grapes that I can share with so many people. This is how it grows my vegetables. Those are because of the bees and from the chicken manure and everything. So over here I would love to show you. This is Mexican sapote tree, which it has tons of it. I'm not sure, there is shades, but I'm not sure if you can see. Let's see, let's hold it. Still they are green. It has plenty on it. They are so beautiful and juicy. Once it grows, you'll see how delicious it is. So this is my sapote tree those are from the seeds it grew, and I want to show you another one that it's in the back over there. So I will show you. This is my son, he bought it and planted. This is a sweet lemon. It has some little flowers, but for now still it's a baby. It will fall. So this is our aquaponic fish pond. This is separate. My husband he put, and here's the bees. They come, they drink their water. Over here that you can put some vegetables, and it will grow very easy. Tomato, pepper, and whatever you want. This is my little plum tree, which tons of plums on it that you see. Still it's a baby tree, but it's giving very delicious plums. I'm not sure if you can see, but the sun is hitting. There you are. Here we go. They're so juicy, beautiful. I really enjoy my fruit trees. Now I want to show you my persimmon tree, which is it's not ready. Here it is. And it's full of it. The tree is full, but because it's green, you can't see so much. There you go. So beautiful. Those are all because of the fertilizer that I use. This is macadamia nuts. It's still new. It's just about a year. This is actually it's 3rd year, I should say. Hopefully by next year it will give me fruits. Over here we have a grapefruit tree. You'll see it's full of it. Still it's green. There is one left on top, yellow one, but here is plenty that it'll grow. Those are part of my tree. Now I'm gonna show you this is goji berry plant. This is last year we planted, and this year it started to flowering. And the chickens, they would love to eat their leaves. This is such a delicious fruit it is. We have over here moringa, which is the season now. They will start to make beans. This moringa is one of the healthiest thing it is. It prevents people to have a cancer and things like that. The flowers it's blooming, it's going to be long stalk, and look at the bees. They are pollinating and enjoying. Here we have a lemon tree, which is the lemon. It's again the season, the yellow ones it's going, which we're using it, and the new one it's coming. It's full of it. It's green. It's kind of hard to see it because they are green, but look at how much it is. This is nothing compared what I had. Over here we have our Tangelo tree. That you see the Tangelos, again it's green. There is one at the top, but I want to say that my grandpa which he used to love garden, and he used to plant a lot of fruit trees. Every time he collects the fruit, that it's done, he always leave one fruit on it, so it says it will be blessing, it will be next year even more. So this is our pomegranate tree that you see how bunch it's hanging. Again, it's not the time yet, but it's growing, and we'll enjoy the pomegranate. Every time we clean it, we put back to the dirt, and it will fertilize it, and it will give us back. Over here, this tree is a jujube tree. You'll see over here the jujubes. They call Korean apple tree. It's a very delicious fruit tree. It is. It's kind of nice. I try to cut them short, but they always grow bigger. This is our apricot tree, which already gave, and we ate. We finished. There is one left on it. Sometimes the birds, they come, they eat. Here they drop one. So there's one. The season is finished already, but we enjoyed it. It gave us, it's a baby tree. It gives us about 50 apricots. Over here we have a olive tree, which I always prepare. And here, as you see, the baby olives, it's growing. And there is, because it's green, like I said, it's very, very hard to see. This is a fig tree that I cut a branch again. Most of them, I pollinate them, not pollinate them, graft them, and I bring it. The fig tree, it's very easy when you cut a little piece and you bring it and you plant it. Here it is. They grow very, very fast. Now, I have over here cherimoya tree. The cherimoya, it started to give flowering. I'm not sure if you can see the flowers. Sometimes it's hard to see it because they are like hanging down, looks exactly close to the leaves. Let me show you. Here are the flowers, the cherimoyas. They are very delicious fruit. This tree, it's kind of a little bit hard to give flower. You have to pollinate with your hands sometimes, but it's very delicious tree it is. Over here we have this mulberry tree. I cut them short because they grow really huge. They are like, each berries are 1 inch long, and they are very delicious sweet. Next to it we have apple tree. Like I said, they're all babies. They are growing. It's kind of hard to see it when they are green. Here we have an orange tree. Of course, we picked up the orange, but there is few left. You can see here. They are winter time. We pick them up and we make a juice and we enjoy them. So this is my front yard, and I have here berry tree, another one they call Pakistani. It gives long berries, and I cut them short, otherwise they grow very huge. So my garden is full of trees. You get lost inside, but this is the way I enjoy my garden. Now I'm going to go to the second part. This is my pistachio tree that it's growing, lots of seeds on it, and this is fruits, very beautiful. Of course, you have to have 2 trees. Here's some of the flowers that you can see. This is a big pistachio tree it is, and behind it I have big sapote tree again. It's from the seeds. They are the sapotes. Here is, you can see even better over here, the sapote fruit trees. I'm not sure if you can see good. Those are all delicious sapotes. Plenty of it. All the neighborhood they can eat, all the family. So my chickens are over here. They give plenty manure for me. And now I want to show you the dragon fruit next to the pistachio that I planted. It's couple flower came, but I don't see this year. Last year gave it to me, but I'm sure it will flowering again. So this is a curry leaf that I have, curry leaf tree. a lot of my customers that they are Indian, they would love to have leaves, the trees and everything, the seeds. This is they call basil. Indian, they call holy plant. It's a Indian basil, which it smells like a tea. You can boil it and you can make a tea out of it. This is another pistachio tree. This is about 5 years old, maybe hoping that next year it will give me fruits. So now I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, this side of the plants, I want to show you. This is avocado tree. This year gave some flower, but they fell because it's a baby tree. Over here we have a guava tree, huge. It just started to flowering. I'm away from it, but I want to show you some of the flower here. We have tons of it. It's huge. The world can eat. And over here we have a grapevine. This is a red grapes that last 2 years we gave it. Last year gave us, but this year I don't think there is. Maybe there is, like here it is. Just a little couple. I just want to show this. That's a Japanese they call, or Chinese, I'm not sure. There's another moringa tree over here. We wanted to let it grow, but I think I'm going to trim them. So over here we have another pomegranate tree. I prune them, I let them stay small, not to be too huge. There's another avocado tree here, which next to it, I'm not sure it's a good idea, but it's growing. Here is our mango tree that it grew plenty. This one we planted long time ago, and then we moved the place because this is the place it's better. Last year gave us 4 mango. That was very delicious. Here we have another grapevine, grapes. This is Japanese too. And we have on top of it jujube that it grew. I like to cut them a little bit shorter. Here I want to show you, this is our pear tree. So it needs a lot of sun, so the fruit will come. I don't see any, but there is couple inside. Hopefully next year we'll have more. That's our pear tree. Over here we planted beautiful blood orange tree. It has some on it, like few, which is good. Our macadamia nuts tree, it's making too much shade for summer, but it will grow. Here I have another pomegranate tree, which is beautiful. I love pomegranate. I juice them. We eat them like that. It's beautiful. Over here we have a papaya tree. These are the papayas that you see. I have 2 trees. This is my son, he planted. It's beautiful and it's very delicious when we pick up from the trees. Those are the berries. The bottom we have some berries. This kind of berry, I don't know what do they call, but they grow 1 inch long. Over here I have a little mulberry tree which I picked up a lot, and I made a jam. You will see very soon in a video how to make jam out of it. Here we have a bay leaf that I planted. The berry is kind of covering it, but this is bay leaf. It is whenever we need. We have a lemongrasses. We have mints. We have more berries here. We have another papaya tree here, and I think it's just gonna start to bloom. We have an avocado tree over here. There was couple avocado, gave very little, but they fell. So now we have over here another orange tree, and this is a pink orange. And now over here I want to show you, this is a jackfruit. Again, it's from the seeds. A lot of trees are from the seeds. This is another lemon tree, and here is avocado tree, but I want to bring it closer so you can see. But definitely you need 2 trees to be avocado on it. They need 2 to pollen with each other. And so over here we have different kind of guava. The green one, the other one is yellow color, and this one is the red color. Well, that one is yellow, but inside it's red, and this one, the cover, the skin is green. And over here we have a loquat tree. This year it gives us a lot, and I made jam out of it, and you will see the video again. So this is my garden, and there is another big pecan tree, but squirrels, they come, they clean it for me, they help me over here to eat. So well, we enjoy them, and I have a good time. So over here we have a geranium. This is insect geranium that you can make a tea out of it. You can keep it next to your bed. It put you to sleep if you have a hard time to sleep. So you can enjoy them. You'll have a good time with those kind of plants. This is nasturtius that I did a little painting, if I'm not mistaken. And you can eat them. You can put them in a salad. Most of my vegetables, most of my garden is eatable and enjoyable plants they are. Well, thank you for watching again. I hope I make it fun to show you my fruit trees, and everybody should plant it and enjoy it. It's good to have a beautiful plants, fruit trees. It gives you fruits, oxygen, clean and beauty and everything. So thanks again. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel, and I thank you very much. Bye bye.